So today we're making some really cute bear-shaped bowls. If you've seen my other type of dish trays or whatever, they are just round little trays so that you can put your jewelry or art supplies in them. But this time I'm making them for kids and for some friends that are like cutesy stuff. These are bear shape, but you can make them any shape you want. You can make them as bunnies, you can do a little fox, just change the shape of the ears and change the little face. For example, if you want to make a fox, you can make a triangle and then like really cute pointy ears. In this case, I'm using a IKEA bowl to mark the round shape and make round shape ears because obviously I want to make little cute bears. But again, feel free to change the shape of your little Urgi clay bowls or trays and make any animals you want. So you saw what I did here. I just marked the round shape, cut the ears out, pop it out, and then took a sponge with a little bit of water and try to smooth it out. Don't worry about perfect. You know what I think about perfect. You can afterwards sand it or like make it a little bit more cuter, use your fingers, whatever you need to do. But the rough edges make it look, you know, homemade and even more personal. So I made this white one and I also made a terracotta one. Just let them dry for whatever amount of time the packaging says to do so. I left mine for around 2 to 3 weeks, I think it was. I was in no rush and I make a bunch of them. That's why you saw the light in the clay changing a little bit in color. But yeah, basically you do this and then you sand them to make them a little bit more smooth. And then you add whatever color of paint you want. Make sure that after sanding you take a little bit of a damp cloth and rub away all the extra powdery residue from the sanding. And when you're painting, make sure you're using acrylic paint or any paint that is not water-based like watercolors, because it will make everything so muddy and smoosh out. So after your paint dries, you can give it a little bit of more defined shape per se. So you can do a little bit of acrylic paint around the ears or take a Sharpie marker like I'm doing here and just give it a little bit more definition or details. And this will make your bear or whatever animal you decide to make a little bit defined. So if you have a bunny, make sure you do the little whiskers. If you have a bear, make sure you do the little bear nose. And this will give it, you know, character. Then use acrylic varnish, or I'm using the NT brand, and this is really cool because it's non-yellowing. But you apply 2 coats in the front, 2 coats in the back, and then retouch on the sides because the sides sometimes with the shape not get covered with it. And then let them dry and you'll be done. If you end up making this, please share them with me on Instagram if you like, or send me an email. I post different projects there that I don't get to share in my YouTube channel. And for any other of my videos or clay projects, make sure you check the list below. Thanks so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye!